Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing great today. I'm here with another video which is related to Office 365 migration. So, if you are planning to move your emails, contacts, and calendars from Gmail to Office 365, you are in right place. So, here on our screen, this is what that Office 365 migration steps. So, this is what that our Exchange Admin Center is. So whether you are an IT professional managing a company migration or an individual upgrading your productivity tools, this video will guide you through every step of the process. I'll also share some insider tips and tools that can save your time and prevent common mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to confidently migrate to Office 365. So let's get started. So this is what that our 365 user here. This is what that our test user here. I create the test user here. And the second thing is this is what that our Gmail user. Okay. I also created a one more account over here, and this is our previous account. For the learning purpose, I just created a test account over here. Okay. So first of all, we need to go to the settings of this Gmail account and click on Manage Google Account. From here, you can click on the Security section over here and then scroll down a little bit more. And before going to the next step, you need to make sure that the two-step verification is on that Gmail account. Okay. Once this is going to be completely set up on your Gmail account, then is been after that process, you can move the cursor onto the search bar and type app password. Okay, this is what the app password is. You can click on it. Okay, password. Click next. Okay, over here. So you can create a new password, but previously I created a password for that app password for that Google account, and this is what that already created from here. So uh, from your side, if you can go with the app password, you can type your, for example, just for the testing purpose, I can show you test. You can click and create, and then your password is going to be appear onto your screen. For example, let me show you over here, like that one. Okay, that password is going to be created over here. So that this is what that it is. So for the time being, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and once this is going to be done from your side, and then you can move that to Office 365 account as well. But for timing, let me share one more thing with you, which is very important. Onto the Excel file. Onto the Excel file, we have we need to set up an Excel file which is going to be CSV file. This CSV file is going to be imported onto that section once we are going to be creating the migration batch. Okay. Uh, so here you can see that under the email address we can type the test account over here. This is what that the test account is, Office 365 account. Okay, this is what that is, 365 account, and here this is our Gmail account, and this is what that our app password. Okay, so you need to be make sure that this configuration is not going to be kind of any mistake on it. So make sure that everything is gonna be perfectly, placed over here, and the add password is perfectly fine. There is no mistake on it, and then this is what that your test account is of 365 account. Okay, and after that you can save this file, for example, and then it will be. I'm using a Mac computer, and then the same configuration is for Windows as well. So you need to be go for the common separated file for file.csv, and after that you can save it. Okay, so let me move this one. Okay, okay. Once this file is going to be created successfully, and then you can go over here and create a migration batch. Let me close this one, and then we can come back over here again. Let's create the Gmail to Office 365 migration. For example, this is what that is. And then you can go to, then we can select the migration batch. So this is what that the migration batch, migration to Exchange Online. You can click next, and then we can type over. This is what that IMAP migration. Okay, so click next, okay, next. From here we can select that Gmail to Office 365 migration that we previously created. Okay, and then click next. Over here, we need to import that file, which is we had to create previously. So this CSV file is going to be import over here. So let's import this file from here. This is what that the file is. We can import it from here, and then we can check allow unknown columns in the CSV file. Then click next. Click next. Okay. From this part, it will ask you that after the batch is completed, a report will be sent to the following recipients. You must select the latest one or recipient to receive the report. This is what that you can. This is over here. This is my name over here, and then if you can, it's up to you. Either you can send this file to someone else or not. It's up to you. So, uh, and the second part is start the migration batch. And this manually start the migration batch where you can simply if you can click over here and go to the migration step, and then it will ask you to click on that section, and then migration is going to be started manually. And then this one will automatically start after you can complete this entire setup, and then it will automatically start and start the batch automatically after some time or whatever it is. So you can select the manual time or date or time or whatever it is convenient for you. Then you can go for that. And you can go to the automatically start batch from here, and then click save. And now it is going to be saved in the batch. Now let's see, batch creation successfully done, and then we can click done. Okay. Once this process is going to be done, and it is going to be syncing. Huh? So this is what it. Once this process is going to be completely synced, and it will show you onto the screen that it will completely migrated all the emails. So for some reason, I'll also let you know. For some reason, there is a file which is going to be comma separated file. It's not sometime working for the Mac environment. Right now, I'm not a paid user of this of 365, so that's why might be the reason of your migration is going to be completely successful. So if you are not paid user of this Office 365 or the Microsoft Office, then you can might be that there is some kind of error on this migration steps. For example, like that one. Okay, so that is that. Then you can go to the paid version of Microsoft, and then you can go with that migration. And this is what that it is. And if you have any kind of questions related to migration steps or some kind of any help related to 365 or uh, the related to any kind of support like the user support or the migration administration or the OneDrive or the or you can say that a different kind of issues people are facing due to the migration. So you can simply check me. Then I'm happy to assist and happy to help you. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Once this file is going to be completely, set up from your side, the CSV file, and then we can move to that section over here under admin section of Exchange Center, and then we can go to add a migration batch. We can give it some name to like that. For example, uh, Office 365, right? We can this off. We can select this migration to Exchange Online from here, and then click next, and then we can give him to IMAP migration from here, and then click next one more time. Next, click give some name from here, and then click next. Over here, we can import that CSV file, which is over here. This CSV file we are going to be imported onto over here. So we can click import section from here and then double check on it. If you allow to unknown columns in the CSV file, you can click check if it is convenient for you. Then you can must go for that. And then after that, you can click next from here and then click next one more time. So on this section, this is the guy who is going to be receive the email when this batch is going to be completed, once this migration is going to be completed. So this is what that it is says that after the batch is going to be completed, and the report will be sent to the following recipient. And the start migration by a batch. This is what that it is. If you're going to be manually start the batch, once that this you can complete this setup, and it will show you the section from that part that you want to click on that section, then batch will be manually start. And then this is what that automatically start the batch. This process is going to be completed, and then it will ask you to it will automatically start the batch, and then they start the batch automatically after some time, or but what time is convenient for you, then you can start the batch from the date and time. You can select it from here, and then this is what that the date it is. So what is it, whatever preferred for you, that then you can go for that. Okay, so this is what it is, and then we can save from here, and you see the batch is saved successfully, and then we can click done. And after that, you can see over here Office 365 migration is going to be syncing, and this is one part is going to be total one migration is going to be running on it, and then we can see over here. And it will take some time to migrate all the emails, depend on the size of the your Gmail account. Okay? So this is normally depend on that one. So we can click refresh from here. So it will take some time to migrate from. Also, this is what it is. So if you have any kind of a question related to 365 migration or any other kind of issue, you can get back to me. And one more thing that I'm going to be sharing with you from that CSV file. Sometimes it happens uh, with the Mac environment. This is what that my experience. I'm not sure that there's some other guy who is using the Mac computer, they don't see that kind of a thing either. So uh, sometimes this CSV file is not going to be working with the Mac devices, but you cannot take it to personally, because sometimes it's working, sometimes you can say that. So currently my that file is going to be working, but previously, what my previous experience shows that this file is working with that comma separated file. So this is what it is. If you are going to be feeling that obviously, then you can simply create this file onto the Windows computer. This is what it is. This is my previous experience shows that I can do that exact same thing, and it worked for me. So I think that I'm going to be share this kind of experience with you. Then if you are facing these issues during your migration, that will help you to diagnose it. So this is what it is that our migration is. Uh, so once this is going to be completed, and then you can see all your emails under that your account from here. So right now it's kind of syncing, and once the syncing process is going to be completed, it will appear all the emails from here, from that Gmail to Office 365. Okay, so good luck and have a great day or night to you. Thank you. Bye bye.